Realizing a self-motivated and need-based reading in the classroom is really a task that every single teacher faces.
King and the Nightingale. Is that Nightingale again? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay.
Creating a communicative expectancy is one of the solutions. For this, the teacher engages in interaction with the learners based on a certain context or trigger. This trigger can be a picture, a context in the story, a video, or a newspaper clip.
Yes, the sky is very dark. Very good. Then where is the bird sitting? In the window. In the window sill. Where is the bird sitting? In the window sill. Yes. Why did the bird come here? Why did the bird come to the palace?
The learners are led to make predictions on the given context. Here, the learner comes up with his individual perspectives, and this in turn creates a reading need among all learners.
Correct. Shreya says Nightingale came to share secret with Ivan. And Nithun says the Nightingale came to see and talk with a friend Ivan. And Adarsh too says Nightingale came to see and talk with Ivan. But what is correct? What is the correct answer? It is there in your textbook. Shall we find out? It is there in your textbook. Open your textbook. Read and find out why did the bird come to Ivan. If you understood the meaning of a sentence, you give a tick mark. Okay. If you did not understand the meaning, you put an into mark. Okay.
Self-assessment is also taking place during individual reading. The learner puts markings against what he has understood and what he hasn't. This helps the learner to discuss his points and doubts during the discussion in groups. Random presentation after the individual reading ensures peer-level assessment. It helps other learners to check their understanding of the passage.
And he is serving us.
Yes, what it means? He is in your palace.
The teacher visits each group and provides necessary support and feedback. The next level of peer assessment takes place during the presentation after group work. Here, the groups can air their agreements or disagreements on other presentations and supplement more points. Teacher reads the passage next. This reading enables the learners to capture the emotional context of the passage as well as the missing elements regarding meaning. Now, the teacher takes the learners to the next step of reading with the help of a few analytical questions. These include reflective questions, critical questions, and inferential questions. These questions help the learners to go beyond the facts given in the text. These scaffolding questions help the learner to analyze the reading context in the light of his personal experience. Thus, the process realizes personalized reading.